Hi, I'm the Karen Medic, and I'm just looking at this article which says that the NHS is going to offer women cervical test kits. You can test yourself at home now. Wow, I mean, imagine that. So it says millions of women in England who have missed cervical screening will be offered free home testing kits on the NHS. The move comes amid concerns that only 2/3 of women attend inpatient cervical screening appointments when asked to do so. So that means at least 4 million women are not really doing the screening. So as you know, there's screening for bowel cancer if you're a certain age, usually 60 or 55 and above, depending on the country. You get bowel testing kits to your address where you have to do a stool test. Now you have similar for women, obviously of a certain age as well, where they can do cervical screening. So it says the kits contain a swab to collect a sample from the vagina. This is then posted back to the NHS for free, where it is tested in labs for high-risk human papillomavirus, also known as HPV. HPV is the virus that increases the risk of cervical cancer, the different strains of the HPV that can cause cervical cancer. So it says here that if high-risk HPV is detected, patients will then be asked to attend a cervical screening appointment with a clinician. So it says about 13 high-risk types of the virus are known to cause 99.7% of cervical cancer. HPV, as you know, causes cervical cancer most commonly through sexual contact and usually don't have any symptoms, but naturally you have HPV on parts of your skin and the body usually just sheds it away. So they're usually harmless most of the time, but through sexual contact is usually the way you can catch cervical cancer. Eligible women between 30 and 65 who have not attended screening appointments will be sent invitations via the NHS app, text message, email or letter. So if you're between the ages of 30 65, you're a woman, you've missed your cervical screening appointment, or you're not attending your cervical screening appointment for whatever reason, maybe you're scared, you're nervous, here is your second chance. If you get a home test kit, please use it. I cannot understate this enough. Cervical cancer is one of the silent killers in women. Cervical cancer is deadly simply because it does not present with typical symptoms until it's quite late on. So there's no way you have the cancer. There's no way you have the cervical cancer. You might have symptoms maybe such as, I think, vaginal bleeding is the most common symptoms you get with cervical cancer. So it says here, the scheme is part of the NHS target of eliminating cervical cancer by 2040. Right. So women aged between 24 and 64 are invited for cervical screening every 5 years or more. The latest figures from NHS England show 68% of eligible women are up to date with cervical screening, which is below the 80% target for the NHS. So 4 million women, as I said earlier, are not up to date. Reasons for not getting the screening: embarrassment, lack of time, worries about discomfort. So this is why doing the home test kit is important. So yeah, so I think this is good news. It's actually less overload for the NHS as well. So it means less appointments, because if you can do your home test kit and then you just send it off, then especially for those who've missed the appointments, then that's less backlog for the NHS as well. So it's win-win either way. Win for you as the patient, because you don't have to now go to the surgery because you're worried about the discomfort, or you have anxiety. You can now do your own free test kit at home, and it's less burden for the NHS because now they can use the appointment for someone else who actually does need it. So good news.